Hello everyone, welcome back to week 2, day 4 of our lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. And today's workout will be a full body push posterior. So in today's workout, it will be single leg Romanian deadlifts. The tempo will be 3-0-0, 3 sets of 15 on each side. And then the next move will be a single glute bridge with hold, 3 sets of 12 reps on each side. And then crab walk, 3 sets of 15 steps on each side. So compared to last week's day 4, they added a tempo and they lowered the reps for the single leg Romanian deadlifts. They lowered the reps for the single glute bridge to 12 reps instead of 15, and they added a hold. And the last move they changed completely. It's a crab walk, which I'm a little worried about because I have such a confined space. I'm not sure how I'm going to do the crab walk, but we will see. Disclaimer, I am not a personal trainer, fitness professional, or anything like that. This is solely for entertainment purposes only. I'm not associated or affiliated with Barbell Brigade. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this workout. I do also want to say that I have a knee injury, so I will be modifying some of the moves that, like the single leg deadlift and the single glute bridge hold for my injured knee, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, that concludes today's lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade, day number 4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on day number 5.